Okay, so our next tutorial, again, we're going to look at Just2Easy, but this time we're actually going to look at J2Paint and J2Turtle. Log into the hub. We should be quite familiar now with this. Let's go up to login, and we type in our username, our surname, and the first letter of our first name, and then possibly a number as well, and then obviously the all-important hub, Cymru.net. Type in the password. Children should know this, but as always, any issues, just ring the school and we'll be able to sort that very, very quickly for you. So Just2Easy there on the front screen, and also on the waffle if we click there. So let's go in this way, and we're going to go into JIT 5, where we're going to look at the Paint and the Turtle program, which are up here. So let's click on Paint. Again, we're greeted with the same series of templates that we had for J2 Write previously, and we can do exactly the same thing. This is all going to be our backgrounds. A little bit different here with some of the templates, but we can go into pictures as well, where we can upload something from the that we already have, go onto the web, and also take a picture, as you saw on previous tutorials. Let's go for a nice template. Maybe let's have the track this time here. Because it's already on the computer, it loads a lot quicker than if you upload an image of your own or something else. Now again, it's very intuitive. All these different sprites that we have here, if we click in, related to some of the backgrounds, lots of different ones to choose from, and we can again search the web, take pictures. But let's have a look, say on the weather, these buttons here. This allows you, click on there to get rid of that, to increase the size of the sun or decrease the size, although this won't make any difference. This flips it round, okay, and all we do is drag it over and we place it where we want to have it. Okay, so let's choose another quick font. Let's maybe go with animals and go with, I think that's a badger. Change the way I want him, change his size as well, and then pop him on there. Now let's have a look a bit further down. We have the paint and we have the fill option. So let's click on the paint. Obviously different colours here. This changes the thickness of it as well. So we could have a blue square, not quite sure why, here, and we can increase the thickness and have a bigger, thicker blue square there. Different wallpapers as well if we wish. Again, increases the size, and this zooms in here or zooms out on the detail of what we have. And let's fill part of the screen. Never had grass as a sky, but we do have now. And that's pretty much most of it. Very similar to J2 Write in the sense that we open new, we upload something we've already done, we save, we publish, we print, and we can undo here. We can record the title, the grass sky here, and that comes there. The grass sky. And we can obviously give it a title there. Obviously save your work once you're done. I'm not going to. And now let's move on to Turtle. So basically this is very, very simple coding. Again, the same sort of templates, the same sort of pictures here. And we can obviously upload the images that we've already got on here. You have to do a web search, a picture. So very, very similar, so the children get used to it very, very quickly. So it's real basic coding in its simplest level. So our little sprite down here, we can tell it to move forward, turn left, and anything we tell it to do here will actually do, and the instructions will appear up here as well. So let's have a look what that looks like. Forward, you can see it's appearing here, forward. I want him to turn left, turn left. Now this is the pen down, pen up option. So if we press pen down, this is pen down over here, we can change the color and the trail will come out behind him now. We move forward. Okay, and we can move pen up as well, so we can stop that and move forward. Another nice thing that we can do is add an additional sprite as well. So if we go to plus, we can choose a different sprite, pop them in here, and so this dog here will do his own thing, and we can play them all at the same time. If we go to advanced settings, there's not a huge amount of difference, apart from when you press on it, we'll clear everything here. So just go to the rubber here to clear all the commands. Instead of moving forward when you press it here, the commands will just come up here. So they have to sort of plan out their route. So if we wanted them to go all the way up to this red door, they'd have to think, right, forward, 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 left, left, and hopefully forward, 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 left, left. And we play that, and hopefully that will work correctly. Although I just went round in a complete circle, so what I should have done, take that off there, and I should have actually gone forward and forward again. So we're typing forward and forward. So let's replay that. Obviously that was a deliberate mistake. So hopefully hit the red door this time. Perfect. And to be fair, that's part of coding anyways, debugging when there's an error. There's a couple of examples up here, because you may want to say, can you draw a square or something? Challenge your child to see if they could do that with the pen down option. So if we play this here, and we can see it going through the commands here as we're going. Okay. Looks like it's vaguely going to be a square, but not quite. But obviously the instructions will be here. Can you touch each of the planets to complete your goal and go back to the start? Again, titles here, and the same as what we're used to. New, load, save, publish, print, and the undo button. I hope that was of some use to you. So that's J2Paint and J2Turtle. Thank you.